Hey, it's John with JohnLaguardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick review of the Topo Designs Global Wool Beanie. That's what we've got right here. There is a ton of history surrounding this little beanie, which is pretty amazing. I had no idea until I started researching this particular topic. Some have called this a fisherman's beanie, others have called it a watch cap, and this time Topo Designs calls it the Global Wool Beanie. Watch caps, or fisherman's beanies, have been seen all throughout history and way back into the 16th century in Wales and Norway. That's kind of where these things started. Fishermen will be out at sea, and their families, most typically their wives, would knit these beanies for them so that they could stay warm while they're out at sea. Now, these beanies can also be seen in other areas of history. The United States Capitol Rotunda features a Liberty cap on the head of a woman on George Washington's right in a painting called The Apotheosis of George Washington. It was created by artist Constantino Brumidi in 1865. Now, there's also a military connection to these beanies, and it was primarily formed in the 1830s and 1850s in Canada, and then with submarine crews in the 1940s during World War I. These types of hats have also surfaced in pop culture as well. These can be seen in bright colors, and in this particular picture, Jacques Cousteau is wearing one as well. Now, if you learned something new today, hit that like button down below and we'll move on with the review. I certainly appreciate it. Regardless of what you call this, it's stylish and warm, and in addition, it has a classic design that just about anybody can wear. This particular one by Topo Designs is made from merino wool blend, so that's 50% wool, 30% nylon, and 20% acrylic. And it has a shorter fit as well. And something that I really like about it is this little micro label that they put on the side. Absolutely love it. Now, these hats are made to wear above the ears. You can kind of see that. But they can easily be folded down over the ears. But something that I recommend is that you get the Global Wool Beanie to wear it above the ears. And then also purchase another one that's a little bit longer that you can wear in colder weather, because it'll stay down over your ears a lot better. And Topo Designs also has one of those, and that is called the watch cap, ironically, as well. So take a look on their website. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can check them out. I'm beginning to love this beanie, and I've made it part of my wardrobe this fall and winter, and I think it'll continue on into the spring as well. It's also been seen in numerous fashion shows as of late. I really think this beanie is here to stay. If you found this video helpful, one thing that you can do to return the favor is hit that subscribe button down below. I certainly appreciate it, and I create videos related to outdoor adventure and photography. So if you're into that sort of thing, you're in the right place. Don't forget to check the link down in the description below where you can check out these great beanies. So get outside, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I missed.